Introducing the next big thing in clean, Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster from Norwex, a color-safe and eco-friendly bleach alternative that harnesses the power of active oxygen and enzymes to amp up your laundry routine and get clothes looking great again. The USDA-certified bio-based powder cleans thoroughly with ingredients that are safer for you and the planet. Pair the effervescent 4-in-1 formula with your favorite Norwex laundry detergent to lift stubborn dirt and set-in stains, brighten whites and revitalize colors, and eliminate lingering odors. It's perfect for your hand washables or as a pre-treatment for problem stains. And for an extremely effective clean throughout the house, dilute in a Norwex Forever bottle to do away with messes on all types of surfaces. Norwex Bright and White Laundry Plus Home Booster. A powerful, safe, and multi-purpose clean, from clothes to home and everything in between.